Hi everyone, today we're gonna work on French. So in case you don't get it, please ask. It's my job to help you guys, okay? Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbote la bande konyo suboza kolananga lelo toko travail na biso na cours à français. Sozo comprendre te na za pona ko aider bien, okay? Merci mingi. So we're gonna look at le passé composé avec l'auxiliaire avoir. Le verbe avoir au temps présent. So I decided to cover the pronoun first. So we use the pronoun instead of repeating the noun. So we use the pronoun because of that. You know, if you say Guylain est allé à Paris, Guylain blah blah blah. So instead of repeating Guylain, you can say il. Karine est allée au Japon. Karine est allée au Japon. Instead of saying Karine, you just replace elle. Okay? Just to give you guys an idea. So here we have j'ai, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Okay? This one, silent. I don't pronounce them. Silent. Silent, okay? So, j'ai, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Okay? Same thing here. So, over there, you're gonna see, if I go back, you're gonna see I have on. Okay? When we use on, you have to be careful for spelling. Okay? So sometimes on behave in a plural form, but be careful. We have here je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Okay? So this one is verbe avoir au temps présent. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, gonna link it, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Okay, I'm not saying elles sont. No. If I say ils sont, elles sont, that's like verb être. But in this case, I'm saying ils ont. Like this. Zont. Okay? Zont. Okay? Because the other one, this one are kind of silent. This, silent. Okay? We come here. Now, le passé composé it's a kind of like compound past tense. Okay, so it's relating something that's begun and end at some point in the past. Okay, so don't let this confuse you. Okay, and then when we use le verbe, we use auxiliaire. We also, for example, in this case, avoir. When we use auxiliaire, so I'm gonna try like my best as I can to provide you guys more, because sometimes it's kind of confused when you use the passé, participe passé. Okay? Le participe passé, it's kind of, fuzzy, but don't worry. I'm here to help. Okay? So, for example, when we use irregular verb, okay? Parler, trouver, choisir, perdre. So, you're gonna see parler, we have this one at the end, this participe passé of this, okay? Of verb avoir. So we have trouvé, we have choisi, perdu, okay? Here we got avoir. J'ai eu les relevés des notes l'année passée, something like that. For example, devoir, pleuvoir, pouvoir, vouloir, voir, ok? Apprendre, appris, comprendre, compris, prendre, pris, boire, bu, être, été, faire. Okay? So I'm just giving you guys example. That way you understand. Give you an idea. This one is irregular. Passé participle. Okay? So that way you guys understand. For example, here, passé composé of dinner. J'ai dîné, tu as dîné, il a dîné, elle a dîné, nous avons dîné, vous avez dîné, ils ont dîné, elles ont dîné. Okay? So we come here. Kevin a trouvé une pâtisserie magnifique. Kevin a trouvé une pâtisserie magnifique. Paulin et Pauline ont perdu l'adresse de la pâtisserie. Paul et Pauline ont perdu l'adresse de la pâtisserie. One more time. Kevin a trouvé une pâtisserie magnifique. Kevin a trouvé une pâtisserie magnifique. Paulin et Pauline ont perdu l'adresse de la pâtisserie. Paul et Pauline ont perdu l'adresse de la pâtisserie. One more time. Kevin a trouvé une pâtisserie magnifique. Pauline a trouvé une pâtisserie magnifique. Paulin et Pauline ont perdu l'adresse de la pâtisserie. Paul et Pauline ont perdu l'adresse de la pâtisserie. Okay? We come here. Now, here, we're dealing with if you take a look, we're dealing with irregular passé participle in the sentence. This one, like verb, it comes from verb trouver. This one, trouver. Okay? So now we're going to deal with irregular past participle. Okay? Now, hier, il a plu toute la journée. So when I say il a plu, it's raining. Okay? But don't get confused when I say hier, il a plu toute la journée. Okay? Kevin a pris l'autobus jusqu'à la boulangerie. Okay? Kevin a pris l'autobus jusqu'à la boulangerie. Justin a pris l'autobus jusqu'à la boulangerie. Justine a pris l'autobus jusqu'à la boulangerie. Now, you see this one, don't get confused. This one. Remember, this one become like K. This one be silent. Jusqu'à la boulangerie. Jusqu'à la boulangerie. So, this one becoming K, the other one is silent. Sometimes, if you are the beginner, it's kind of confusing. If you study pedagogy, la littérature, yes, you're going to be kind of picky. You want everything to be 100%, but don't do that. When my first year at university, I remember my professor says that if you want everything to be perfect, you're gonna have some problem in your life. My professor has a 2 PhD. He say no. You cannot be perfect. When you pronounce something wrong, the other people kind of panic. Oh, why you say this? No, those people have a problem. Many of those people didn't do well in high school. When somebody's picking everything, when you open their life story, they didn't do well in high school. No, they didn't. No, they become more problem. I'm telling you from my life experience. Oh, trust me. A lot of people who fail high school, and then when they pass, they start university, they got a PhD, they become trouble. Okay? So be careful. We come here. Paul a fait le marché. Le marche. So, Pauline a fait le marche. Paulin a fait le marche. Pauline a fait le marche. Now, you're going to see the sound a little bit kind of fuzzy there. Paul a fait. This comes from verb faire. This. From verb faire. The participle is fait. Okay? So, this one, marcher. Okay? It's like supermarché, something like that. Okay? But be careful. Okay? Now, j'ai eu une belle chemise. Nous avons eu le relevé des notes l'année passée. If you take a look, this sound, when you look at this, remember, when you look at that one, what you have in your head? Passé composé. This one, you have a passé composé. J'ai eu une belle chemise. Nous avons eu les relevés des notes l'année passée. Justin a eu le bulletin l'année passée. Justine a eu les bulletins l'année passée. Vous n'avez pas pris de dessert. Here is not dessert. No. As-tu oublié les desserts? Dessert. Okay. So I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. In case you don't understand, please email me or contact me. I'm gonna try my best as I can to help you. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.